Now let's learn about the types of asexual reproduction. So following are the types of asexual reproduction. First type of asexual reproduction, that is cell division, binary fission, zoospore formation, budding, conidia and gemmules. So you can know these all the types of sexual reproduction. You can remember it in the form of formula, that is CD, BF, BU, Zoo, Co, G. Repeat. Nice way to remember, isn't it? CD, BF, BU, Zoo, Co, G. So this is how you can remember whole of the type of the asexual reproduction. CD, that is cell division, BF, that is binary fission, budding, BU, that is budding, Zoo, that is zoospores, Co, conidia, G, that is gemmule formation. Formula repeat: CD, BF, BU, Zoo, Co, G. You can all repeat with me. CD, BF, BU, Zoo, Co, G, that is cell division, binary fission, budding, zoospore formation, conidia formation and gemmule formation. So first type of asexual reproduction, that is called as cell division. Cell division, here the cell divides by simple mitosis, and the daughter cell that are formed by the mitosis are similar to parents and similar to themselves, and here cell division itself is a mode of asexual reproduction, and this happens in the lower group of organism, that is kingdom Monera and Protista, where the cell division itself is the mode of asexual reproduction. Next, CD, after CD, that is BF. BF nothing but binary fission. Binary fission, here you can just notice it in the diagram. It is this type of binary fission will happen in the organisms, simple organisms like amoeba. Here the parent cell having the nucleus. First there is a division in the nucleus. The nuclei will divide, that is called karyokinesis, and after the division of the nucleus, cytoplasm divides. The cytoplasm, that is cytokinesis happens, and bit of the cytoplasm will enter into one cell and bit of the cytoplasm will enter into another cell. There is a constriction in between, and thus here the constriction will take place. Thus two daughter cells are formed, offsprings are formed. These daughter offsprings are exactly similar to the parent cell. This type of reproduction is called as binary fission. Just suppose this is the cell. First the nucleus divides, one nuclei in one part, another nuclei in another part, and then there is the constriction in the cytoplasm, and thus the two cells are formed. This will not ensure the exact half bifurcation of the cytoplasm. One might receive bit more cytoplasm and one might receive bit less cytoplasm. So this is not sure half to half process. So genetic material might vary and cytoplasm might vary between the two daughter cells that are formed, but the two daughter cells are formed by this method. This is called as binary fission. Let me repeat. In the binary fission, first the nucleus divides, then followed by the division of the cytoplasm. There is a constriction in the cytoplasm, and thus two halves are formed and two daughter cells are formed. These daughter cells will grow and will form the new organism which resembles the parent organism from where it is formed. This binary type of sexual reproduction will take place in amoeba and paramecium. So next sexual reproduction is over, that is called binary fission. Binary fission, parent cell, division of nucleus, division of cytoplasm and formation of two daughter cells. Next type of asexual reproduction, you should not forget the formula. So next type of asexual reproduction is budding type of asexual reproduction. In the budding will take place in the organisms like yeast and hydra. So for example, in the yeast, in this picture very clearly it is seen, yeast is a unicellular fungi where first the cell will grow a bit bigger in size. So cell will grow and then the nuclei will divide into two, and there is a one small eruption that is called as bud. Outgrowth is formed that is called as bud. This divided nuclei, one of the nuclei will enter into the bud and bit of cytoplasm will also enter into the bud. Now thus formed bud will grow in size. Then there is the constriction and thus two daughter cells are formed. These two daughter cells thus formed will act as a new individuals. So this bud will separate from the parent organism and thus two daughter cells are formed and thus two new individuals are formed. This budding type of reproduction is seen in the organisms like yeast and hydra. So let me repeat. Budding, first nucleus divides, small bud is erupted, a small bud is formed, one of the nucleus enters into the bud and bit of the cytoplasm also enters into the bud, and the bud will start growing and this bud will separate because of the constriction and thus two daughter cells are formed. This budding type occurs in yeast and hydra. So let us see the formula for the remembering of asexual reproduction. CDBF-BU, Zoo, Co, G was the formula. Till now we have finished. Cell division is the type of asexual reproduction occurring in very lower organism. Binary fission occurring in amoeba and paramecium. Budding occurring in the hydra and yeast. Next type of asexual reproduction we are proceeding, that is zoospore formation. So we'll move for the zoospore formation. So in the zoospore formation, you can see it, a beautiful picture of Chlamydomonas which carry the flagella. Zoo means to move. So zoo means, it means that to move. So zoospores, these are the special asexual spores, asexual structures which are microscopic in nature and they carry the flagella for the motility, and thus formed spores within the parent organism. Such small structures are formed which are motile in nature and they are asexually formed just by the mitotic divisions, and these formed mitotic structures are called as zoospores. They are released from the parent organism and they start moving freely, swimming freely in the water, and then once they fall on the proper substratum, they will give rise to new organism. Zoospores mostly are seen in most of the unicellular algae like Chlamydomonas, and some of the fungi will show the formation of zoospores, that is motile spores asexually formed. That is, zoospore is one of the asexual reproduction. So the next that is called as, last bit was zoo, co, G. Zoo was zoospore formation. Next comes about the co, that is called as conidia formation. Conidia formation mostly seen in the fungi like Penicillium. So first fungi that first antibiotic fungi that was discovered was Penicillium. Penicillium will show the formation of conidia. You can see the conidia formation here. So what are these conidia now? So conidia are non-motile spores, asexual non-motile structures. So here the fungal body is called as hyphae. The nuclei first will divide. You can see the nuclear division, that is mitotic division of the nuclei. Then later on there is a formation of the constriction. Then small rounded asexual structures, non-motile structures are formed. These non-motile structures are called as conidia. These conidia are carried away by the wind. When they fall on the proper substratum, they will grow into new hyphae. Thus, these conidia are helping in the fast asexual multiplication of the fungi like Penicillium. So that is, conidia are acting like the asexual reproductive structures. Then the last asexual bodies that is called as gemmule formation. So gemmule formation, they are also called as internal buds, because these buds are formed within the body. So therefore they are called as internal buds. Gemmules are also called as internal buds. These internal buds are asexually produced. They are the mass of cells which are covered by the envelope. This mass of cells, you can notice this mass of the cells are called as gemmules. So these gemmules, when they are released from the parent organism, when they fall on the proper substratum, they will grow into new organisms. So sponges will show the gemmule formation. So that is the last type of asexual reproduction, that is called as gemmule formation. So we'll have a glance regarding the types of the asexual reproduction. Formula to remember: CDBF-BU, Zoo, Co, G. CD cell division, BF binary fission, BU budding, Zoo that is zoospores, Co conidia formation, G gemmule formation. Cell division, here very lower organism, Monera and Protistas are showing the cell division type. Here simple mitotic division, cell divides and thus the new organisms are formed. So binary fission, amoeba is showing the binary fission. So in the binary fission type, nuclei divides first, then followed by the constriction of the cytoplasm, and thus the two daughter cells are formed. Amoeba is showing the binary fission type of asexual reproduction. Budding was observed in the, so you can glance, that is budding is observed in the yeast and hydra. So here small eruption called as bud is formed. So and a bit of cytoplasm and the nucleus moves into bud, and the two daughter cells are formed. Then zoospore formation I just told you, that is the zoo means to move. These are the motile spores seen in the fungi and as well as algae like Chlamydomonas. Motile spores thus formed are called as zoospores. Conidia formation I told, these are the non-motile spherical structures that are formed from the mitotic division of the hyphae seen in the fungi called as Penicillium. Gemmule formation is seen in the sponges. They are also called as internal buds. They are asexually produced. They are mass of cells covered by the envelope, and these mass of cells that are covered in the envelope, those mass of cells are called as gemmules seen in the sponges. So that finishes the bit called